recording right now.
Hey, Tinkerbud. You ready to open some presents?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it your birthday? How old are you? How old are you gonna be? 3.
I'll be 3 years old.
3 years old, that's right.
Will you make this bed? You clean this?
Mm-hmm.
This you Daddy.
Mama and Daddy got you some presents.
Oh. What's that? What's it?
I don't
Your
know.
card first.
Yeah, right, Mom.
Here, look face towards Daddy or come over here.
A baby? River? River! I love
Let me get down on her face.
Shut up, William! I like that! I want that! I want that! I want to watch that.
We'll watch
We'll
it.
watch it. We gotta open up the rest of your presents, okay? You like it? Charlotte's Web.
Bobby!
Oh, it's a mermaid Barbie.
I want that.
You want it?
Yeah. No, Bobby! Oh! Baby secrets. That's mine. That's mine. That my tail.
Mm-hmm. It is.
She swims a lot. She swims a lot.
She does swim.
I love her. Aww. Aww.
Gotta have a knife.
She's a really Bobby.
Yeah.
Is this the Bobby?
I don't know. Open it and see.
A Bobby? A Bobby? A can?
That's right.
Wow, I like this one for the Barbies. That one for the Barbie?
That's right.
I like this.
You do?
I like him. That's my mermaid tail. She dance. Sounds like a mermaid.
That's right.
That's the mermaid. It's the mermaid tail. The two. She's a friend.
Wow, we really get these things in there.
I like these presents.
You do? Well, we do have another present for you.
What you got?